Hey there! Today I'm going to show you a super easy way to make a professional passport size photo using Canva. And the best part, it only takes a couple of minutes. Whether you need it for official documents, visas, or ID cards, I've got you covered. First, open Canva and click on the custom size option. For most countries, a passport photo is 35 by 45 millimeters, but if you're in the US, go for 2 by 2 inches. This ensures your photo will meet official requirements. Next, upload the photo you want to use. Drag it onto your blank canvas and adjust it to fit perfectly within the frame. Make sure your face is centered and clearly visible. Now, let's make it look professional. Click on the photo and use Canva's background remover tool. Remove the existing background and replace it with a clean white or off-white color. This step is crucial because most official documents require a plain background. Once you're happy with how it looks, download your image in JPG or PNG format. And there you go, a passport size photo ready to print or upload online. Creating your passport photo in Canva is really that simple. With just a few clicks, you can get a clean, professional looking photo without stepping into a studio. Try it out and see how easy it is to create your perfect passport photo in minutes.